Tired of a cluttered Webex calendar with meetings you can't delete? Here's exactly how to remove them in seconds. I'll walk you through signing in, finding the meeting, and deleting it with just a few clicks. All right, let's start at the very beginning. Head over to webex.com and sign into your account. Use the email and password you normally use for work or school. This is the same dashboard you use to start or join meetings, so you're already familiar with it. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main navigation on the left side of your screen. Now, from that left sidebar, go ahead and click on Meetings. This is where Webex keeps everything related to your scheduled events. You'll see a few tabs at the top, like Upcoming, Past, and Calendar. We want the Calendar tab because it shows everything laid out by date. Click on that. So here's where you might be feeling a little frustrated. You see all those meetings cluttering up your view, but where's the delete button? It's not obvious at first glance. In my experience, most people try to right-click on the meeting and nothing happens. Don't worry, the option is there. You just have to click on the actual meeting you want to remove. Go ahead and click on it now, not the checkbox next to it, but the title or the block of time itself. This will open a Details panel on the right side of the screen. This panel shows you all the information about that meeting, like the time, the agenda, and who's invited. Now, here's the key. Look up to the very top right corner of this panel. You'll see a small trash can icon. It's often grayed out or a little subtle, but that's your delete button. Click on that icon. A small pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. This confirmation message might say something like, "Are you sure you want to delete this meeting?" Or, "This will cancel the meeting for all attendees." Read that carefully. In my experience, this step saves people from accidentally removing a meeting they actually need. So take a second to confirm that this is the right meeting and that you're okay with canceling it. Once you've read it, just click the red Delete button in that pop-up to confirm. Don't click outside the box or hit Cancel, because that will close the prompt without deleting anything. Go ahead and click Delete. And now, just wait a moment. Webex will process your request. You might see a brief loading spinner, or the Details panel might close on its own. This usually takes less than a second, but give it a moment to finish. The system is removing the meeting from the server and updating everyone's invitations. Once it's done, close that Details panel or simply navigate back to the main Meetings page. You can do this by clicking the Meetings link in the sidebar again, or by hitting the back arrow in the browser. Either way works. Now let's verify that it's actually gone. Look at your calendar view. That time slot should now be free, or the meeting entry should have disappeared entirely. I always recommend refreshing the page just to be safe. Press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh icon in your browser. When the page reloads, scan through your schedule one more time. And that's it. You've successfully removed that unwanted meeting. Your calendar is now a little cleaner and a lot less stressful. Thanks for following along, and I hope this saves you a few clicks and a bit of frustration the next time you need to clean up your schedule.